Hi, I'm Stu. Welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. Or should I say PSA, because it's part public service announcement and part tutorial. So let's get started. Currently, I'm working on a series of video tutorials related to audio. And one of the little plugins in LumaFusion I do like to use is the Reverb plugin. But not 24 hours ago, I discovered the Reverb plugin, if you're going to take a look at it, is actually broken. So for example, I've got this set up to the Cathedral preset. We've got a hand clap audio sound from my Cinephonic Volume 1, no reverb. Now, before you go lynching LumaTouch, this is actually to do with the architecture that Apple provide for developers like LumaTouch to create things like the Reverb plugin. Now, the reason why I hadn't noticed it was broken is because I've kind of graduated from the built-in Reverb plugin to a plugin called EOS 2. So this is where I get my reverb from. And I don't generally use the built-in plugin, but because I'm working on a series of tutorials, I wanted to be able to show you with the plugin that's actually included with LumaFusion, which I can't do now. So when it comes to using reverb, this is useless, but there is another option, which I'll demonstrate to you. If we launch the App Store, go to our search and type in the following, Zero Reverb, and you'll see this little sort of red and white icon with what looks like I don't know what it is, a bomb getting lit. I don't know what it is. Anyway, this is the plugin you're going to need. It's completely free, and it's something that LumaTouch have actually been recommending themselves. It's a bit of a workaround to not being able to use their reverb plugin. There's also Room Reverb, which I think is quite new, and as you can see, there's quite a few different options. Now, I've got EOS 2, which is studio quality reverb. I highly recommend if you want to drop the $7 on that, it is well worth it. But I'm aware that not everybody's got spare cash at the moment, so let's use the freebie. So I'm just going to download it. Takes a second or two to install. And we don't want to tap open here. What we want to do is just close LumaFusion, relaunch it, and then if we go back into our audio, you'll now see if we go to plugins and we tap on this little icon here for adding a plugin, you'll see I've got different plugins actually added in. You can now drag Zero Reverb across and place it in whatever order you want. So for example, I usually actually have these in this kind of order. There we go. Come back out of there, give that a second or two, and you'll now see we have Zero Reverb. So if you tap on that, you go all the way back to here. Straight out of the box, you've got yourself some reverb. If you're currently trying to use reverb that's built into LumaFusion, download Zero Reverb and that will save you a hell of a lot of hassle. If you enjoyed the video tutorial today, give it a like, share, comment, do all the things, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.